So my wife and I were just innocently scrolling around YouTube last night. We were looking for a famous YouTube chef to watch, and we stumbled across this very upstanding gentleman called Nader Elshamy, and he decided to make what he called a watermelon cocktail. And with him and his big manly man muscles, I am going to I can't look at you laughing in the background. With him and his manly man muscles, I am going to recreate that I have written down, step by step, the creation of this watermelon cocktail.
No nexus. Take a shot before you make the drinks.
Mm-hmm.
See?
I got you.
You read your mind.
Juste comme ça. Hey!
5-second rule.
Hey! 10 minutes. Rules. Here.
It's okay, we just washed the floor, so it's all good.
I washed two.
Yeah.
So. Here, this drink need lime, watermelon, lime,
Chicky.
I'm not gonna do it fast. Watermelon doesn't take long. Appetizio. Enough for.
Hi, Nadders.
Aye.
Nadders. I'm just going to say Nadders. That's
Nadders. Because I'm not one, I'm a lot. Yeah? Try this. Cheers.
Cheers. Salud.
Estrobia. Cheers, guys. Mwah. Mwah.
Good.
Very good. Mwah.
Exactly how he did it. I played it in the clip before this. Now you're gonna see me recreate it myself. Are you ready? So we need a quarter watermelon, and we gotta cut it out, just so. And the knives go into the watermelon, not ex-girlfriends, for anyone curious. So knife goes into the watermelon, and cut out our little piece. I don't remember what he did with this, so I'm just gonna throw it over there. So then we take this, and according to my notes, we just throw it on the floor. Then we come up, and we use the same one without rinsing it off at all. And then we put it in our blender. We just chop it up. No rhyme or reason, no measuring, nothing. We just chop it, and it goes right in the blender. We're gonna blend it, then add some more. Because we're fancy. And I'm following the instructions beat for beat. Well, we gotta make room. And we just chop it up, put it in the blender. The floor watermelon, which absolutely does not have any drugs of any kind on it. a completely clean floor with no drugs at all. No drugs, no crack or meth or anything on the floor. Then we take lime and we cut the lime. And then, according to my notes, we, quote, knife the lime like a felony. His technique, you just go, you know what to do. Yeah, get all that lime juice in there. Yeah, look at that. The lime talks shit about me, so I just gotta get a knife in it now. Get all that lime juice in there. And YouTube Chef Nader used Absolute Watermelon, which I do not have, so we're using good vodka. And I'm gonna pour it exactly how he did. And then we blend it without ice for some reason. No ice at all in the blender, nothing. We don't take the seeds out of it. This is exactly how the famous YouTube chef did it. Okay. And we take ice, but not good normal ice, freezer ice. We just throw it in glasses. And we are using the Sinatra Says Comma Club Rocks glass, which you can get or have already gotten, should have already gotten, if you are a Comma Club member, but you can get one by becoming one. Didn't he throw the ice on the floor too? No, he threw it on the counter. So we just throw the ice in the glasses. And we just pour the watermelon thing. Oh, that's goopy. Oh, boy. The watermelon cocktail. I'm sorry, glass. That is fucking terrible. That is the worst drink I've ever had in my life. I don't even know if there's vodka in there. It's chunky, it's gross, but I'm gonna make it better.
It's watermelon smoothie. I don't like smoothie.
And I am going to reuse half the stuff we already have here. Actually, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm not gonna do that at all. I'm gonna be right back. All right, I'm gonna make this better using the same ingredients. All the same ingredients. Except this time we're gonna pay attention to what we're using. We're gonna do our best to avoid seeds, but it is a watermelon. But luckily, there are ways to fix that. So we're gonna use all the same ingredients. Down to the lime. I have an idea of what we can do with the lime. All right, get that in there. We're gonna take the watermelon chunks. We're still gonna blend them up, but we're gonna do something a little bit more. So, as you notice, a lot less watermelon in there. All right, take this.
Also less flour.
Yeah, there's a lot less flour in this as well. This is definitely not the watermelon that fell on the floor either, that I had strategically placed another one under. That's not all what happened. We're gonna use the watermelon vodka, and we're gonna add about 2 ounces into it. A little bit more, 'cause this is interesting. But we're gonna put ice in the blender. Put the ice in the blender. Okay, that looks significantly better. And I'm just gonna take, and just for brevity's sake, blend it more. I want it liquid. You hear it hitting the ice? I want it liquid. Okay. We're going to continue to use the Sinatra Says Comic Club glass. Now you might be thinking, Sin, you said you were going to use lime. I am. Worry not. Because we're going to take a lime wedge, just put it on the rim, and garnish it. So we technically did use the lime. That's good. Watermelon cocktail, my way. Opa yelling and ask random girls for $500. So PayPal link down below. Let me know what you think of this video. If you have any comments, leave them down below. If you have any suggestions, leave them down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a lovely day.